We have arrived at the Colo River and we are going camping with our friends Brett and Diana this weekend.
How was that ride, babe?
It was quite the little adventure getting here.
Talk about it. On our way, there was lots of people flashing their lights at us. So we're like, oh yeah, there's a cop or something. We'll just keep to the speed limit. And then
there was a fire. We started seeing all this smoke around us, and I mean, technically it's not that surprising because this is one of the first hot days we've had of the spring. It's a high of 32. Yesterday it was about 36 or 37, and it has been so windy. And it's total fire ban, but you know, there was a big storm last night, and I don't know, maybe there was lightning, maybe this fire started, but it kind of looked like it had started right before we got there. Like the emergency personnel was still arriving when we turned around and had to start coming another way to get here. There was fire trucks and cops and
then so we've taken this massive detour, which added another half an hour, and on a shingle road. We can't even see the river really.
Yeah, and I guess
one lane. Because
of the storm, there was all these downed branches. Let's continue on.
Yep.
The campground should just be another 3 minutes down this road.
Not long. Woo! Can't wait. We can dive in the water.
The birds are so amazing in the morning. It's like a whole symphony of bird sounds.
Well, I'm looking forward to that.
I always lie in bed, I'm like, oh, I want to go kayaking on the river. And then it's like, oh, but then I have to get up, have a coffee, and just lie here and enjoy it from here.
It's shallower here than it was on the place where you get it.
Watch out for the sprinkler!
Oh no.
Coming! It's coming!
Don't do it!
Hello, Jen!
Sorry, Renee.
That was Jesse's fault.
Wait! Sneaky gun.
Oh, here we go. Come here! Yeah.
Less flow, maybe?
There you go. That was the tripod run. We'll see ya.